So I know most of you guys right now are from my Instagram. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I posted a picture on my Instagram saying bye ways and all that. The photo is right here if you guys really want to see what it looks like. But a lot of you guys were sad. Like I mean y'all were like, no, don't cut it off. And y'all were putting crying emojis and all that. I was just like, dang, y'all really care about my hair. Like it's not even y'all hair, it's my hair. But I mean, I was just like, you know what? I gotta hurry up. I gotta drop this video because you guys kept replying, and I was like, I can't keep them waiting this long. But for the new people, that's why my face is blurred out right now and all that. But just stay tuned for the cut. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell because we're dropping straight fire videos. You guys already know. So let's go ahead and let's get into the cut. I know most of you guys are probably like, hey, why are you cutting your hair? Also, it's because I've been getting everybody else right for Easter. And I mean, I'm like, man, I'm the only one looking woolly headed on Easter though. Like, when I went to church, I was over there looking so all nice. But then when you got up to my head, they were just like, whoa, like, what happened to you? That's another reason why I'm cutting. And it got hot when I put this cape on. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into this. Alright, so I know you guys probably aren't going to care about the rest. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to basically fast forward it for you guys. Because I know you guys probably don't care that much. Alright, so I got my tapers done, as you guys can see, tapered up, you know. Yeah, the back is probably alright, it's probably not even that good. And then the sides, you know what I'm saying? And then now we about to, like I said, we about to go ahead and get into this lineup. By the way, what I sprayed on my lineup is some liquid razor. I got this from the beauty store. My uncle told me about it. He's a barber. I've been trying it out. Guys, it's been making my lines really crispy, making that ash effect on there. So if you guys want to go ahead and try that out, I would recommend go ahead and trying it out. I'm finally finished. And man, this is pretty dang on good for a self-cut. This is pretty good for a self-cut. Check me out. Had to get the wannabe beard lined up. You know what I'm saying? Wannabe beard lined up. Had to get my lining right. Look, hey, don't touch. Oh, don't touch. Hey, I think I just cut you. Don't. I'm telling you, girl. Look. I'm feeling it. It's probably this is a good, pretty self-cut. I'm feeling back to normal. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Wow. Boy, if you don't. It's been a minute. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like myself again. Let me know what you guys thought about the cut down below. But you guys already know what I'm about to say. Like the video if you like the video, because why would you like the video if you like the video? Drop a comment down below, because you guys already know the reading guys comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're dropping fire videos just like this one. Check me out. But next week, hey,